How to fix Pinterest widget not working. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. There are 2 to 3 steps that you have to do to make sure the app works. But before we open Pinterest, you have to open Play Store and you have to search for Pinterest. Once Pinterest opens, here see there is an update option, so make sure it is updated, and if it's not updated to the latest version, sometimes the Pinterest option shows and the widget doesn't work. Second step that you have to do is you have to go back and you have to go to Pinterest and you have to click on app info, and here you have to click on storage and cache, and you have to clear cache and clear storage too. Once you do that, you have to go back, and the third and final step that would really help your app work properly is once you have updated it, once you have cleared the cache, just to be on a safer end, you can uninstall it and you can install it back again. Once you do all these 3 steps, your widget problem of Pinterest not working will completely get fixed. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.